Hi everybody, this is Andy. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to make an important announcement that I'm going to start the membership program on this channel. So, what will members get? First of all, a special badge next to their usernames for comments and live chat in the channel. And so, to recognize my loyal, members, badges will change the longer they are in the channel. First of all, I'm going to have two categories. First of all, primer. In the primer, you will have loyalty badges, emoji, special emoji. For example, this Milo love. I will be sharing those also in my community tab page for the members, and you will be able to use it, for comments and, for interaction in the channel. And also, I am going to have exclusive members only videos. Why? Because I think that there are so many things, for example, unboxing of products or interactions I have with Milo, or the bloopers and many things that don't get into the final edition of the video because of time constraints, and also because sometimes projects take very long time to get done. For example, in the last video where I flipped a dresser, that dresser took me almost a month, because flipping furniture sometimes takes such a long time that it is impossible to have one video per week. But I have material that I can share with my members, to make them aware of what's going on, so they won't miss Flip Pop that much, because they are going to be receiving updates. And of course, priority reply to comments, The second category is top coat. And this category, you will have, of course, the perks from the previous levels, the emoji, the exclusive members only videos and everything. You will also have early access to new videos. I mean, you won't have to be waiting for premieres and hours and everything. No, you will be able to see them immediately. And photos and status updates. There are so many things that I'm doing and everything, and I just want to keep them out of the public eye, because I just want to be professional and have everything in my videos. And finally, members only live streams, with Milo here from my house. So if you become a member of this top code category, I will have live streams. I will ask you when would be the best time to have a live stream. Okay, and then I will show you my project, the advance I have with the videos. We will have a chat, and we will discuss, I can listen to your advice, and I can show you my experience, because, I've been flipping furniture. I'm not a professional. I mean, I didn't study that, but I've been flipping furniture since I was, 18, more or less. And learning, I love tools, and I love doing DIY projects and everything. So and I will show you all that in my live streams and in the members only videos. Why did I want to open memberships now? Well, first of all, the new year wants new resolutions, and of course, apart from being a source of income, I want to open my mind to new horizons, about my future, and I would like to share that with you all. I think that sharing that with people, sharing my passions and my sometimes fears and thoughts, may be really enriching, and I'm prepared to do that now. And I'll be sharing aspects of my life, my future plans, Milo walks, in general, a more in-depth content that might be interesting to you, right? And also, I'm going to be building a couple of pieces this year. I have I'm just working on a music rack and everything that was commissioned to me, and I can share all the plans and design with you, and I mean with the members of my channel, and also the tips and tricks that I have for working with video, that might be very interesting to you. So, well, this is the video of today. If you're interested in becoming a member, don't forget to hit that join button, and choose one of the two categories in which you will be participating in the channel. Milo, who was sleeping over there next to me because he's next to me all the time, also sends you his love. And I want to wish you an excellent 2023. I hope that all your dreams come true, and I hope we keep on flipping furniture together. Okay? So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.